course, I will do some of your mixing duties here.
Smell that. Arlene, I'm hot water.
I got done just now.
Welcome my foodies, and this is How To Foodie Nation. I am Natalie and today we are with the lovely Arlene. And today she's making my favorite, which is actually Geera Pork.
Yes.
So first up, what is in front of me here?
You have, it's your first time cooking with me today,
yes.
So it's seasoning, always seasoning.
Okay.
I'm seasoning on every level every time I cook.
Perfect.
So first we're going to season the pork with a little bit of everything that we have. So I will let you turn since it's one of your favorites, and I will put in for you. So we're going to start with a little bit of our Geera powder.
Okay.
To start, we're going to go with some Chadon Beni, or maybe a lot of Chadon Beni. Right. Get a spoon for this. Some pimento. Nice fresh seasonings always.
Okay.
A little garlic and a little curry powder. This is like a little family secret that I'm sharing with you.
Oh.
You're not gonna taste it, but it does enhance the flavor.
Okay.
Right. So we just mix this up.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw in some hot peppers. We'll get it.
Yes.
We'll get it heat in one time.
Love that.
Right, so we're gonna mix this up, let it sit for about a half an hour, and then we start Geera the pork.
Arlene, so my pork is perfectly seasoned here because I'm a professional mixer, you know what I'm telling you? Don't feel like I'm to show off with the cooking skills.
No, well, let me tell you something. If it's a mixed right, it can't cook right.
Oh, that's why I say
All right. So now we're on to Geera and the pork. We have our vegetable oil.
Okay.
And of course, the main ingredient, Geera. Right. We get that to, as we say, fry up.
Fry up.
So we're gonna fry that up with the remainder of our seasoning. The same thing you put in the pork.
I was really wondering how come you didn't put everything inside of there. It goes in the oil.
Yeah, so remember I tell you, we have to season everything. So we had a Geera everything too. So we had a Geera the seasoning. Right? And of course, you know, my little thyme. So we mix this up. We fry it up, as they say. Make sure the Geera is well incorporated into all of their seasonings here.
It smells so good. That Chadon Beni just boosting the flavor.
Chadon Beni is
in this place because they're not sharing. I'm not sharing today.
Not sharing. I'm very interested. How did you come to fall in love with Geera pork?
You know what? Growing up when I was younger, we would always go by, it had a nearby bar. And even up to now, where I live, there's a nearby bar, and a lady sells Geera pork in cups. And I love it. Can I tell you? It's only because it's had a fallback on the flowers, why not indulging in it so much. But you see today,
today you're indulging.
at this rate, if we're in the alley, it's a must.
All right, well, we're ready for the pork.
Okay.
So just drop that in there for me. I'll help you. Right. So, of course, I will do some of your mixing duties here.
Smell that. Arlene, I'm hot water.
I got done just now. Now the thing with this is you have to let this take its time and kusume, as we just say, right?
Okay.
Absorb all the flavors. So once you're hearing that frying up, you're good to go. Now when you stir all this together, you're gonna cover it down.
Okay.
And the steam is gonna give it its moisture. You don't necessarily have to add any liquid to this.
Oh,
it kind of steams and cooks
Okay.
in all the flavor, and you keep stirring occasionally. If somehow you manage to let it dry down, you can put a little bit of water, but don't cover it with water. And you just stir and continuously go until your pork nice and tender. And
I'm excited for this.
we had to get some
it'll
pepper
be hard
sauce
for me to burn this too, because I'll be saying nobody put like, you know, done.
to harass the pot. Right, so let's let this cook up, and then we'll eat. It's that easy.
Great. I'm excited.
Have to hold you back
But
from
just make
checking.
sure I have nobody here to get any of my Geera pork, because smell that.
All right. Woo! So,
Arlene.
we didn't have to add any water to this, as you can see. We're getting all the nice pop and crackle.
Yes.
Nice color.
Like my friend said, the bun is a good part. So you see the bottom scraping there?
Yes, so we scraping the bottom to get the flavor up. And this is us here. We put a little salt to taste.
Arlene, I see you could come on. You could move that woman standing by the bar and take over.
But you know, you just have to hand over. You just have to hand over things, pass it down.
True.
So, you know.
Thanks for passing it down to me because let me tell you, she passed it right down.
Here you go.
Oh gosh, smell that, guys. So much seasoning, bursting with flavor. And that water, you know, it has sometimes that Geera, it have so much liquid. Everything is sucked up right into this.
Yeah, so we didn't have to add any water to it. It kind of steam, just kind of let it cook. And you get your pork nice and tender. And of course, we flavor everything, we season everything.
Okay,
All right?
we did.
Enjoy. Let me see if I could compete with the woman on the corner.
Let me see.
Oh gosh.
Arlene,
I'll take it.
not just a little bite, man.
Would you be able to say goodbye and give your reviews?
Yes, it's true. Sorry, guys, it was so good. Eating my food in your mouth is not a good habit. But guys, thank you for tuning in. Make sure to try out this recipe. Amazing, delicious, quick, perfect for guests. Make sure to like, subscribe, let us know what's happening in the comments. Tell us how good this is. And see you all next time.
Bye.